This is 338 Western Ave in Hampden. It's a older colonial home, but it's had some really nice updates. And I'm starting inside because it's really cold outside. That way I don't have to track the snow through the house. It will go outside though when we leave. So basically this is a big family room. As you come in the entry here, you've got a little area that's got vinyl, so you can take shoes and stuff off. It's got a big closet here. It really is nice space. It does have its own heat zone out here. So this could be a big family room. Previous folks had pool table out here, or it could be a second living room, you know, etc. As you come in, they've done a nice job of updating with an all new kitchen. They even took out all the old cabinets, and it's got solid granite countertops, stainless appliances. It does have a nice sort of sitting area here. You can have a table here, or you can see if you have a smaller table, there's room to have one there. It does have a nice side yard. It's got about an acre, maybe a little bit more of lawn space, so it does have a big lawn. Out here there is a fire pit. You can kind of see over there, covered with snow right now, but there's a patio here. But it does have some privacy on this side, which is nice. The kitchen is pretty spacious. It's got the nice island, so if you've got somebody over or entertaining, that kind of thing, you can have them sit. And the neat thing is you can also use it for eating regularly. It's a lot bigger than most of them, probably twice the size of a normal one. So good size, lots of cabinets. And then on this side, you've got a big living room. As you can see here, they have a sectional. It does have a pellet stove, which I think the owner is going to allow a tenant to use if they want. The fireplace isn't something that a tenant can use because of insurance on the home. But this is, again, a big living room. You could have a sectional, you could have a couple of couches. In the past, we have had that. And then on this side, we've got entryway with front entry, which is not typically used because you've got a couple of side doors. But I will say it's got a nice buffet built in here too. They also did new cabinetry in granite there. And then it's got kind of a big coat closet here in the hallway. You've got two bathrooms. There's one on this level, which is kind of neat because you don't have to go upstairs to use the bathroom, etc. And there's a bedroom on this floor too. So that gives you some options. If somebody needs, you know, one floor living, this could do the job. Toilet, tub with a whirlpool, which is kind of neat. And again, much bigger countertop than typical. It's corian. And then it's got a linen, or as you can tell, they're using for all the special products. The first floor here has this bonus room, which could be a bedroom, so it could be 3 or 4 bedrooms. It's typically been 3 bedrooms, but this makes a great office, is how they're using it, or past folks have used it for a bedroom because it does have a pretty good sized closet. It could be a guest room, however somebody wanted. I'll give you a second look at this room as well. Of course, it has a ceiling fan. This is big enough, so in the past the owner had put a table on that side and still had a living room set up too, so there's some other options. As you go up the stairs, it's got 3 bedrooms and a bathroom on this level, plus an attic area, which does go down to the garage, so the attic space is kind of cool too. I guess we'll start. It actually has its own laundry room. I think in the original home this would have been a small bedroom, but the owner converted it to a laundry. The ad says hookup. The set that's here is older and may get left, so that might be an option, but it's got a washer dryer hookup, and then a folding area and its own closet. This is one of the bedrooms. I think all the bedrooms would do king size beds. That's pretty unusual. Most of the time these old houses have got kind of limited bedroom spaces. You know, they'll have a couple bedrooms that might do a queen or full, and a couple that will do small, that kind of thing. This has got dual closets, so it's got kind of your standard closet there, maybe a little bit wider. But then it's got a walk-in closet here, which does have some built-in shelving. So it's also got a lot bigger closets than these typical old houses have. As you go on the other side, it's got the original wide wood floors, which are pretty unusual, probably 100-year-old wood there because it's so wide. They don't make that or sell that today. This is the bathroom upstairs, which does have the shower. So you've got shower with a door here. And then it's got its own vanity. And there is another, linen type area there. So it does have really good storage because there's also a linen closet in the hallway. And of course, toilet on this side too. The hallway has got a linen closet here. Just very good closet space for a typical old house. It's just got limited, small, tiny closets. So this is kind of nice. This is, again, bedroom number 2 or 3, depending on how you look at it. Again, this has got the 2 closets too. The nice thing is the owner is a carpenter, and so he was able to do some additions, which are kind of nice, that I think people want in general. And then this is a bedroom that they finish off. I mean, it's super big. It's got the sloped ceilings, but it's probably twice the size of a normal bedroom. It does have a closet behind the door here. So this could be an office or a bonus room too if somebody didn't need it for bedroom space. It is neat because it's got attic access here, which goes over the, so this is just literally storage area. There's some storage area over the garage as well, but this is, they refloored this, so this is solid, and it's got a stairway that goes downstairs. So for bringing stuff upstairs into this whole second floor, that right in the garage and up here, and then straight through, makes it super easy. And so that is the whole inside of 338 Western. I'm going to take you downstairs, and then we'll go outside and do that garage area. They did do tile here to come into, which is kind of neat because, again, with our cold weather and snow, you don't have to track as much. So I'm going to take you right out into the garage. The neat thing with the garage is that it's got the detached storage, that huge barn, but it's also got this direct entry. So it has an auto door opener. This, I don't know if this is original added on, but it's bigger than your typical one car. It's got room on both sides and in the back. As you can see, the owner has used that wood stove because their homeowners allows it, but the rental policy doesn't. So, but it does give storage, so plenty of room for a car plus bikes or anything you might want. Auto door opener is really nice with an old house. And then you can kind of get the feel of the lot is just big. It's got L-shaped driveway, so there's entry over there as well as on the main drag. I will say it does take a couple hours to mow it in the summertime, so a lot of people use a service in our area to do that, and that's fine. If you wanted to mow it yourself, you probably do need a riding mower. Just the reality of it. This does have doors that work, and they've used it for extra parking. And the owner had a really nice workshop set out here. Also had some chickens. So it could have several different uses, but they did update the electrical. I don't know if you can see over here. It's got a newer electrical panel. So it does have electric over here. There's honestly room for 2 or 3 cars without a problem. In addition, if somebody had toys or that kind of stuff, it would be great. These doors do open. The one here opens easily. These are the old style. And then it's got more storage here, and I don't know if there's a light switch somewhere. There is somewhere, but I have to find it. Well, maybe I'm not going to find a light switch, but well, let's see it somewhere. So I don't know if you can tell. There's a couple motorcycles stored in here. Let's see if we can get some light this way. There we go. So that might shine. So you've got a room here, which he actually had a workbench built in out of the outlets because he was into woodworking. So it's kind of neat because it just does get up a ton of storage. Some people may not need it at all, and if you don't need it, no problem, it's here. But if you need it, it just gives a lot of storage. The stuff that's up on the second level, he's not moving. It's kind of the typical lumber and leftover stuff. And he is using this side for his own storage, but somebody could use any of the extra space. So there's a lot of room. If somebody needs storage, I don't think I have another property that has more of it. So that kind of finishes 338 Western Ave. If you were interested, please do our rental application right online, and we will get back to you. This is available in March or April, so either would be fine for a lease start.